In this video, I'm sat in a 2021 Toyota RAV4 hybrid, and I'm going to be showing you how to change the language and also the displayed units on the car. By displayed units, I mean like the fuel economy here. We've currently got a tank average of 6.3 litres per 100 kilometres. But if you'd rather see that how many kilometres per litre, we can actually change that. So we're going to do this by using this keypad here, and we're going to scroll over to the right until we see the cog, like that one there, and that is our settings menu. We're then going to go all the way down to our second page, and you'll see at the bottom there's settings. Then we're going to actually hold in the OK button, and that takes us to another menu. And in this menu, you've got the top one there, you've got language. So if we tap OK on that, in this model you can only change between English and French, but around the world there'll be different options available. Like I say, only English and French here. And then we can go back, then we can go down one, and then we can go into the units as well. And this is where we can change it from the litres per 100 kilometres to the kilometres per litre. So as soon as I tap that, and then when I come back out of this menu by using the back button there, and then I scroll back to our fuel economy, you'll notice it's actually changed the tank average to kilometres per litre. So there we go, that's how to change the language and the displayed units on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.